Papa, Texas, July 27th. Yeah, I hope y'all aren't too awkward over there. But I'm hanging out with Strong's Adventures. That's Billy. Yeah, we're out here. Check out, can y'all see that? I'm gonna add some footage of that awesome lake behind us. We're doing some cooking videos together, hanging out, enjoying
being at the lake.
Hanging out together. Yeah, that's what we're doing. And what is the name of the place that we're at?
We are at Lake Bistineau. Papa will have it scroll across the bottom how you spell that. Because it ain't gonna be spelled like y'all think it's gonna be spelled. Because we're from Louisiana. Oh, what we got going on though, Papa, we have a drawdown on this lake right now.
That's right.
You know why we have a drawdown?
I don't know, wait, real quick. I don't know if y'all can see in the background, but there's a tree line of water and then another tree line and it goes down. Those are like weeks apart, right?
Right.
And sometimes the water's up to here.
Well, it's not completely up to
down
here, but it comes up pretty good. It comes, yeah. It probably comes up to right there.
Up there. Yeah.
But what happens is we have been overrun by the giant salvia plant.
There's even signs about it around here.
Yeah. So, what I want to know is, do you want to go over and see the dam?
Yes, I do.
And see.
Y'all want to see the dam? I'll videotape that part when we get over there, in between our cooking videos. Because we're cooking ribeyes tonight.
We're cooking ribeyes.
Yeah.
Wow.
We're off grid. We have no cell service out here. Isn't that awesome?
We got Wi-Fi, but I'm not sure how good the Wi-Fi is.
Mine don't work. Mine don't work.
I can't even get a hold of Rhonda.
We're out here hanging out. Y'all know Billy Strong's Adventures. If you don't, he's going to be at the end of the video. He's going to be down in the description because he's got cooking videos. But you don't only do cooking, do you?
Don't only do cooking. We also show some of the adventures we go on.
Oh, wait a minute. Your name is Strong's Adventures. Adventures. Yeah, like Papa Texas is not in a corner because he's not just a cooking show like Papa's Kitchen. It's Papa Texas. Yeah.
And Rhonda's going to Florida, so I hope she'll get us some good footage.
I'm going to Florida next year with the family. I'm meeting up with a couple of YouTubers on our way. It'll be fun.
Well, maybe you can use some of the footage that she uses to know where to go.
She's going to Pensacola. I'm going to Destin.
Oh, you should go to Pensacola.
I passed Pensacola on my way.
It's a quicker trip if you go to Pensacola.
Go finish your breakfast and let's go to the dam.
See ya.
Billy's taking me out to check out the dam. Yeah. Is it gonna be pretty cool? Wow. Yeah. Here we go. Be there and we're here. Yeah. I'll be right back. Hang on. We're here. Check it out. That sucker is running. Yeah. Here, I'll zoom in on that for you. Look at that. Ain't that cool? Check that out. Yeah. That's awesome. Can you hear me? Yeah. And there's alligators in it. That's really cool. Oh, how do you get down there? I ain't walking through that. I'm staying up here. There's Billy. See little Billy way over there. Yeah. And we're camping. See that camper? I don't know if y'all can see that over there or not. That's camping at. So this is like just around the corner. Let's go. This road's closed down. All right, here we go. Here's the stuff coming out. They're going down the dam. Now see that stuff right there? I don't know if you can see that little green stuff. That's why they're draining it. They're trying to get rid of that stuff. Woo, look at that. He go down there. Yeah. There's little Billy. Where's he at on my camera? Yeah, he's recording. Anyway, I love spillways. Got you some birds over there eating fish. There we go.